and subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video we're gonna do some stewed turkey neck, some yam salad and some callaloo rice. And guys, thank you for supporting the channel as usual, because the channel is moving and it's all because of the support that I'm getting from the channel. And I always gonna take the time out to acknowledge my viewers and my subscribers, because without you guys this wouldn't be possible, where I see myself doing YouTube video, and the support has been overwhelmed. I'm gonna put on my peas now. So guys, I'm adding 3 cloves of garlic in my peas pot. So basically I'm cooking the peas for the stewed turkey neck. So I'm gonna pressure the turkey neck on the stove, and then when the turkey neck cook and the peas cook, I'm gonna add them together. So I'm washing off the turkey neck, where I add the vinegar, and I have my seasoning. I have some ginger, scallion, onion, thyme, so I'm gonna add my season. So I'm adding some garlic powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning and some pimento seed. And I'm gonna add my onion, which is 1 onion, 3 stalks of scallion, and just this small bit of ginger. So I'm adding just a little bit of browning, just to give the meat just some color. And then I'm gonna rub in the season, combine both season together. So I'm gonna add some green pepper, just to add some flavor. I'm gonna add just a little bit more browning. And then after finish rubbing the season, I'm going to put the turkey neck to marinate, so it can soak the season. Guys, so I am going to start pressuring the turkey neck. So I'm lighting the stove, as you guys can see. I'm gonna add some oil in. So I'm adding some oil in the pot. Just a little bit of oil, not much. So I add just small bit of oil just to grease the pot. So I'm gonna add 1 clove of garlic. So I'm burning the garlic. So I'm just stirring the turkey neck just for 2 minutes before I add any water in it. So I'm still stir frying the turkey neck for 2 minutes before I add the water in. So I am going to add some water in. I'm just going to add enough water just to cover the turkey neck. So just enough water, as I said, just to cover the turkey neck. So I'm going to pressure it for 20 minutes and then turn off the pressure cooker and check on it. Yep, that's it. So I'm adding some oil in the pot, just a little bit of oil, not much. So I add just small bit of oil just to grease the pot. So I'm gonna add 1 clove of garlic. So I'm burning the garlic. So I am going to add my turkey neck. Beautiful, this is the turkey neck. So I'm just stirring the turkey neck just for 2 minutes before I add any water in it. So I'm still stir frying the turkey neck for 2 minutes before I add the water in. So I am going to add some water in. I'm just going to add enough water just to cover the turkey neck. So just enough water, as I said, just to cover the turkey neck. So I'm going to pressure it for 20 minutes and then turn off the pressure cooker and check on it. So I'm putting on the pressure cooker now. Top. Yep. That's it. Guys, I will grate this little coconut because I'm not going to use any powdered coconut, so I'm going to use this coconut to grate. So when I grate out the coconut, you know, add in my stew peas. Hope everyone is doing good. What you all doing today, guys? Guys, today is another great outdoor cooking video, which I know this one is gonna be another great video. Yeah, grate out the coconut. So the peas still left on the fire and the turkey neck inside pressuring. Can you guys hear the pressure cooker making noise? I'm going to finish the vlog inside, guys, because the rain come down upon the pot. Everything get wet up, so just have to finish the vlog inside. So I'm gonna add the turkey neck into the peas because the turkey neck done pressure and the peas done cook. So we're adding them together now. So I am going to add my coconut milk in now. Yeah, man. So you know it's a stew we are make, so we have to add coconut milk whilst you're making some form of stew. Coconut milk definitely is a must. I am going to just add in the dumpling. Add in the spinach for the stew. Guys, as I always said, if you guys have any ideas or anything you want to see me cook, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. Spinach, it is real good in the stew. Last one going in now. So I'm showing you guys the stew turkey neck, and this is my way of doing the turkey neck. I'm gonna cover the pot now and make it go and simmer down. I'm going to put some Irish potatoes, some Tennessee, some carrots, bell pepper, tomato, scallion. So basically one Irish potato, one carrot, one small bell pepper, 2 stalks of scallion, and 1 tomato. I'm going to add some butter, and some fish and meat sauce. So we're adding some flavor. So we don't really want too much. So can you see that, guys? One small bit. Butter come along good. So just wait for it to cook down. So I'm adding the green pepper in just to add some more flavor to the pot, guys. So I'm adding some salt, and I already add piece of scallion. I'm adding 1/4 stick of butter, piece of thyme, and that is for the Callaloo rice. So I'm adding in the Callaloo. So the stew is done now, guys. Into the pot. So I'm checking on the rice, guys. Can you see that? So I have the yam in the bowl, and with the yam in the bowl I add some cooking oil in the water. That will help with the yam not to change color. And I add some cooking oil also in the boiling water. So I'm gonna add in the yam. And the yam that I'm boiling, it is what we are going to use to make the salad, which is the yam salad. And I am using some yellow yam. So guys, can you see? Because of the oil in the pot, you see the yam get back to the original color. So guys, we have the yellow yam. For the yam salad, we have some onion, mixed vegetable, tomato, scallion, bell pepper, and the mayonnaise. So I'm going to use some raisin in my yam salad, and the raisin is optional, depends on if you want to use the raisin in it. So I'm adding in some of the raisin. I'm adding in the scallion. I'm adding in the tomato. I'm adding in the mixed vegetable and the bell pepper. I'm also adding in the onion. So I'm adding in the mayonnaise and I'm going to mix. So I'm using roughly 2 serving spoons of mayonnaise into the salad. And this is the yam salad, guys. This is my way of making the yam salad. This is my stewed turkey neck, my yam salad, my callaloo rice, and my fried plantain. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel.